like a Hellcat.
I'm going to show you how to start and open the door of a dead battery on a key fob for a Ford. The first step is you have to take out the key. That's pressing this button, and you're able to separate these two. To open this vehicle, we're going to be installing the key right there to be able to open the door without the key fob. Once you're inside of the vehicle, you'll try to turn it on. It won't turn on. So now you have to go to one of the cups, one of the cup holders, take out the little plastic on top, and you'll see there's a hole that fits your key perfectly. Once you put it inside, you press the brake and see if it'll turn, and it turns right on. Thank you.